Good afternoon. Welcome to Array Infosys. Dear students, today we are going to learn how to create marksheet in Microsoft Excel. Let's start with today's topic. How to make marksheet inside Microsoft Excel. I have today written 10 students' name and subjects are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will calculate total, percentage, result, division and rank in this sheet. Let's start with today's topic. For example, you can insert marks individually. If you are working in real, you need to insert marks individually. You must insert marks individually what the students has scored in their subjects in their exam respectively. But now in this situation today I will not be doing that because it takes a long time to enter each student's marks in their 8 subjects respectively one by one. That is why I am using one formula that is called equals to rand between. Equals to rand between. What does this formula do is, this formula will insert the number randomly between two given numbers. For example, if we provide 45 number is the bottom number and 80 is the top number, then what will this formula do is, it will haphazardly, it will itself provide the number between these two digits. As you insert this number from D6, you can pull this number up to D15. Select this, then you can drag and drop this number up to whole 8 subjects. Look at, I have done this. The disadvantage of this formula is that if you calculate something, then it changes, this number changes automatically. For example, you can see equals to sum, here is to here, enter. Now look at, this number will not remain the same but it changes randomly. Why? Because we have provided such formula that we have given the computer such command, it will change number automatically. Look at, this number are changing. Again if I click, this number are changing, but we don't want this. We want is this number must be constant. We don't want this number changing rapidly. For that you need to do is select all this, cut, then right click, paste. One thing you need to remember is there is difference between cut and paste and copy and paste. Ctrl Z. What I have done is I have cut this and I have taken that in next cell, but it went along with the formula, but I don't need that. But what I need is, I only need these numbers, only I need is value. I don't want formula. Ctrl C, right click, paste is special, only you need is value. Okay, you got that? Now these are numbers without formulas. Look at here, no formula is added in these numbers, but what I'm going to say is, look here, this is number with formula. Delete this and pick this, Ctrl X, cut, then paste. Very easily we have inserted all numbers in all subjects of all students respectively. It is very easy method. Now let's calculate total equals to sum. What we need to do is click here is to here, then it is very easily calculated. Total number is calculated very easily. Double click here. Now equals to, what we need to do with percentage is divide total by total subject, divide total marks with total subject area. Total subject is 8, enter. Then percentage is 61.9%. In this way you can calculate percentage. Now result. How to calculate result? Why we need this result column is that sometimes the percentage of students may be higher, but he may be fail, he or she may be fail in one subject. The fail students can be first according to percentage, but while calculating rank, fail students cannot be first. To reduce that error, to overtake that error, we have used this result column here. Now how to calculate result? Equals to result equals to if minimum here is to here, in this subject, in this range, if minimum here is to here is greater than equal to 35, if that is greater than equal to 35, then student is pass, otherwise student is fail. What we are doing here is, if Ram Dhimal has secured from D6 to K6, if he has secured greater than equal to 35, then that student will be pass, otherwise he will be fail. Enter. He is pass. We need to keep here double S, pass. Student is pass. Double click. These all our students are pass. Why? Because all students are secured greater than equal to 35. Let's make one student 34. Then this student is fail. I have made this student fail to make you understand that is this formula working properly or not. This formula is working properly. Let's make this student 32. Then this student will also be fail. Likewise, this formula is working properly. Now let's go to other column, division. How to calculate division? Equals to if this is equals to, this means result is equal to pass, then if results is equal to pass, then if we will calculate division according to percentage. That is why if this is percentage is greater than equal to 80, then student will get distinction, 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 comma, if this percentage is, it has become a bit difficult for me to click here. That is why I am typing M6, and this percentage is here in M6. M6 is greater than equal to 60, then student will get first division. Student will get first division, comma, if M6 is percentage, M6 is greater than equal to 45, then student will secure second division, comma, else otherwise student will get third division. Inverted comma, close. How many brackets are here? One. We will close this first bracket in the last, but in the middle how many brackets are there? 1, 2, 3. Now close 3 brackets. Shift 1, 2, 3. 3 brackets are closed. Else, if these conditions are not fulfilled, if even these conditions are not fulfilled, then student will be fail. F-A-I-L, fail. Inverted comma close, then bracket close, enter. Then students had secured first division marks. Students had secured second division marks here. Students had secured second division. Students had secured first division. Here students is fail. Look here. Results is fail, but he has secured 59.1%. Although students' result is fail because he has secured 34 marks only in account. Likewise, this formula works. Then now last column is of rank equals to rank. How to calculate rank? Equals to rank. Now first of all, one thing I will make you clear is that rank is calculated according to percentage. This rank is calculated according to this percentage. Now equals to rank. Where is this percentage situated? This is situated in M column and 6 row. M6. If M6 comma rank M6 comma dollar M $6, this is formula. You need not be confused. You don't be confused what I am typing. This is formula for rank. Why I am typing M6? Because the percentage here is situated, first percentage here is situated in M6. That is why I am typing M6 comma dollar comma M comma M $6 is to M is to dollar M and dollar, the last point is here M15. Then you need to type is 15, close the bracket, enter. The rank is 4th. Now you can find it very easily. Rank is first students has secured 65.4%. Second has secured 65.3%. Third has secured 64.5%. Likewise, we can calculate rank. These students comes in the